This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to use running totals in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see that we have a table right over here which contains 3 columns. First one is the consists of date, the second one is consisting on amount, third one is used for running totals. So what we will do, we will put an equal to sign in the first cell, which is D6, and we will type sum, and we'll put an opening parenthesis, and we'll type this cell reference C6. We'll put a colon, and we'll type again C6, and we'll put a closing parenthesis, and we'll press the enter key. So here you can see that the same cell of C6 has been copied into the D column, like C6, the value which C6 contains can be seen in the cell D6. Likewise, C7 value can be seen in D7. But here what we want actually the running total, means that we want the total in such a way that the 67 will be added to 57 and 57 will be added to 78. So the trailing total can be seen in this in the column of the running total. So what we will do, we will type an $sign right here between C and 6 and press the enter key. Here you can see that how it is done. It is basically the sign $sign has made this cell C6 to a fixed cell, and now you can see the trailing total of every single cell to the other cells. Here you can see that if you want to check how it is done, just select 67, 57, and here you can see that the sum is 124, and we select 78. Now it becomes 2020. Here you can see the same value, 202 over here, and if you select all the cells, then you can see the sum 376, which is the total of all the cells of the values contains in the column C. So this way you can use the running totals in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching.